You're tasting. Attaboy, good. Nice. Good work. Good work. Out. Wow. I whacked that one a little too good. Between gun issues and missing tonight, I didn't want to miss that guy, but that's a hard fought bird right there. But that was cool. The birds can get up on this ice now and run, and that's what that one tried to do. We've been kind of battling that the whole night, but that made it all worth it right there. That's dang it. Dropped the leg, gosh. Drop legs on. Let's go. Touch it up. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. Oh. That a boy, good job, Klaus. That a boy, good. Good dog. Well, there's the drop leg. That a boy. Nice. Good job. Right here. Come on, Klaus. That a boy. Look what you got. I was kind of wondering. Right here. Fetch. That a boy. Yeah, you had to give her the chomp. Out. Oh. You had to grab the tail of this guy. Whoop. You had to grab the tail to get this one tracked down. This is that last one I just shot. I dropped his leg. I thought that bird would still be able to fly, but I guess not. Klaus, right here. Good job, buddy. You didn't give up on this one, did you? I did, but you didn't. You knew there was still hope. Good job. Klaus. Let's go.